And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen since November of 2022, the price of crude was moving in a range. Okay, and this range, you can say this is the particular range. Previously it was at this particular range if we calculate, but after making this particular high, you can say this is the high, and as soon as break out this particular range, we have seen a further upside movement, and it has touched a level of around $95.11, and at this particular level profit booking comes. That is where we have seen a downfall. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, see, this was the pattern which was forming, and I have already told you that if the price sustain above $80, a further upside movement we have seen, and the target was around 88. Okay, and as soon as it hit this particular 88, you would have done SL, which I have told in my workshop also, and the price can go further upside, and it has made a high of 95, and then from there is a continuous downfall. Okay, second thing, the third thing is that after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is being repeated for quite some time. What this pattern says, that whenever it is hitting its new high, that means first high, second high, third high, this is the fifth high, first high is here at this point. What was happening, whenever it is hitting new high, a profit booking is coming, and that is where it is moving down, and then a swing is forming, that is where it is moving upside again, making a new high, and then again profit booking was coming. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, we have seen there is a gap up opening, okay, at a level of around $87. Now trading at a level of $85.66, and chances are very high that if the price sustain above this particular level, it can go further upside. This gap is still pending, so if the price fall below a level of around $84.68, we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of around $83.39. This is the gap pending. Okay, so chances are high if the price fall below 84.69, then probability of touching 83.39 we can see. Okay, now if we go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see that where is the trend of crude is going. Overall trend is in the range as of now. So once the price started falling below a level of 85.5, then you can see there is a higher chances of moving further low for the price of crude, and a probability is high it can touch a level of $84.63 and to a level of 84.6, and once started falling below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $83.26, and then a further low we can see. Okay, now let's go on the day wise chart, where I'll show you if the price sustain this level, what we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further high, and a probability of crossing a level of $86 is there. Okay, if the price sustain above 86, we can see it can go further high, and a probability of going towards 87.15 is there. Okay, and if the price move up that level, we can see it will cross a level of around $88. $88 is already being tested here, so chances are very high that it will go towards a level of around $89.25, and if the price move up that level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 89.55 is already being tested here, so chances are very high it will cross that level and can touch a level of around $90.55, and there is a higher chances that it can go towards a level of 92.38. As soon as it hit above a level of 90, chances of crossing a level of 92.38 will be there, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of crude. But now understand something, market is uncertain. Okay, what you have to do is always set your SL, because as you know that there is a gap up opening. Okay, because of the war situation, there is a gap up opening, or there are other factors also. So what you have to do is always set your SL, so that if there are news or some event come, your capital should not be wiped out. Okay, suppose if you have took a sell trade at around $83 or 82, if the gap up opening at 87, see how much loss it would be. So always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, it will come again towards a level of 84.81, which is a strong support. From there up we have seen a bounce back. But if the price didn't sustain that level also, we can see it will fall further down towards $84.61 to a level of around $83.83. Okay, now once the price fall below 83.31, we can see it will go towards a level of $83.25, and once the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and then we can see a level of around 82.35. okay, and if the price fall below 82.35, then a probability of going towards 80.90 we can see, and once the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards $79.81. okay, now if the price fall below 79.81, a further fall we can see towards a level of 77.25, and once the price fall below 77.25, then chances of going further low we can see in the price of crude. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if any doubts also you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description also, and the flashing also. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.